This is such a special and exquisite moisturizer. And it has the same base as my original face butter formula, which, by the way, I am still selling. I'm just not selling online. You'll have to email me for that, and I'm selling it in the 16 ounce and the 2 ounce sizes. So this new facial moisturizer is using that same base. However, I did make quite a few upgrades to it, and I upgraded the preservative as well. So the thing that we love about the original face butter and what you'll love about this is that it's a little fluffy and it's soft, and it still has that weight to it so that it traps the water in our skin without that really greasy feeling. So that is still here. There's quite a bit of water in this formula, and so the preservative that I used is at the very end, there's all natural, and then at the very end you'll see like 0.01% of something that is a synthetic version of an element that's found in blooming nightshade flowers. So it's pretty much as good as it gets when you want a formula to be this soft and fluffy and substantial. But this is the best part about this facial moisturizer, is you can use it on your body as well, is that I've added some of my favorite things. And of course, I already told you one of them. It's that organic Bulgarian rose water. Just can never go wrong with roses. Never ever. Can never get enough rose water. It's so delicious to smell, and especially when it's mixed in with a little bit of cacao powder, and it's just a little bit, but it's enough to just get that little bit of chocolate hit. It's not going to leave your skin darker by using it, and it's fair trade, it's organic. And then the other element that I used, extra element, there's 2 more, is freshwater pearl powder. And pearl powder is so good for our skin internally and externally, and it's such a luxurious and like wonderful ingredient that is just so lovely and good for our skin. You can just kind of feel it in there in a good way. Like it just raises the vibration of the whole formula. And then the last little element that I put in is just a little bit of zinc. And this is non-coated, non-nano. And this ingredient is really good, again, for barrier restoration. And it's very soothing for our skin as well. And it also will add a little bit of a sunscreen, just a touch of SPF. So I'm just so excited to introduce this new moisturizer to you, and I'm excited for you to try it and just enjoy it the way that I have been enjoying all of the samples. As I've been trying to get this formula just right, I've just been like swimming in this for the last few weeks and month or so, and it's just been really lovely. So I present to you Trinity.